Hello everyone, welcome to Gyan's SQL Server debate tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to restore a database from full backup in SQL Server. So what is the database restoration? Database restore is the process to copying backup data from secondary storage or restoring to original storage location or new location. Restore is the perform to return data from data has been lost, stolen or damaged to its original condition, or to move data to a new location. Means that if you want your database to a new location, you can restore. If you want to restore a database to your same location, if data is lost, stolen or damaged, so you can restore the database there. So for that, we'll use two ways to restore database from the full backup in SQL Server. So using SQL Server Management Studio graphical user interface GUI version, and second using T-SQL script. So one more thing, important thing is that transaction. If your database is in transaction, so you will not able to restore your database. So I'll give you an example. Let me open that. So this is my SQL Server Management Studio. Just give your server name here. Authentication mode, I'm using SQL Server authentication. Login is SA and password is I'm giving whatever the password for my SQL Server. Logged in. Now I'm going to restore the database. Right click on the database, restore. I already have a backup in this path. In this path, I already have a backup. So let me check. Then server, SQL Server. This is my path. In this part, I have already taken a backup of my database, dvd enter new backup. So this is my backup. So I want to restore that backup. So using, first we are going to use the SQL Server Management Studio. In next video, I'll go through the transaction. So in your database, right click on your database, go to the restore database, click on devices and select, here is the option to select the media device. So backup media, click on OK. So this is my backup, dvd rental new, select OK, click on OK. So here you can see the location destination database name is this, and here we restore and we'll get the database name and LSN sequence number of the log sequence number, and whenever we have taken the backup, and go to the files. So where the will be the file will be created. This is the original path for the file, and I'm restoring as this path. So this is the path. Here I'm restoring this path. And next is options. In options, this is very important. If you want to override the existing database, if you have already have a database, so you right click on there, and if your database is running in the replication mode, then you can check here to keep in replication. And if you want with the single user mode, so restrict user, so you can click over here. And recovery state, recovery, restore with the recovery. And in later videos we will go how to restore with the non-recovery or standby. Now we are going through the restore with the recovery. If you have a tail backup, so click on OK, and I'm just closing the existing connection. Let me check. click on OK, then your database DVD rental new restored successfully. So this is the way we can restore the database with the GUI mode. Next is with the T-SQL. So we can restore the database with the T-SQL. So let me copy this one, same code, or I will provide you the script. So let me open new query. Use master alter database divisional set. So I'm going through the single user, and I'm going to back up the log in this path. Okay, then I'm giving some name of that, and here is the final restore. So restore database divisional new from, and this is the path, and this path, let me check, file should be there. If file is not there, then I'll get an error. Okay, something is wrong. Let me get the path. Yeah, path is correct. I have a database, so I'm just going to restore that. So select all, execute. See, 90% process and 100% process. I'm providing the states for that, so you will give you the percentage for that. Okay. Next, in last 100% is process 344 pages for the divisional, and for how many 6 pages for the log file. Total is 350 pages are recovered. Means I am successfully restore the database. So this is the two way to we can restore the database. In this video we'll learn how to restore a database from the full backup in SQL Server. So we did with the GUI version, and second is the T-SQL script. Thank you for watching.